When Honda puts the HRC name on a motorcycle, expectations are sky high. But for 2027, Honda has taken things a step further with the CRF250R HRC Works Edition, a machine that looks and feels closer to a factory race bike than ever before. So the big question is this really a factory bike you can actually buy? Let's find out. At first glance, the HRC Works Edition stands out with its striking tricolor factory livery. The signature Honda red bodywork is combined with blue side number plates and a blue rear fender, giving it the same visual identity seen on Honda's latest HRC race machines. But the real story begins underneath the plastics. One of the biggest upgrades is the Yoshimura full titanium exhaust system. Unlike the standard CRF250R, this bike comes equipped with a lightweight titanium header, mid-pipe, and silencer straight from the factory. Honda also paid attention to the engine itself. The cylinder ports are hand-polished to improve airflow and combustion efficiency, while the iconic red metallic cylinder head cover gives the engine a true factory appearance. Another premium touch is the hydraulic clutch system. The chassis package receives major attention as well. Honda says the lightweight frame has been refined using feedback from HRC factory riders, helping improve cornering precision and overall handling. Suspension duties are handled by specially tuned Showa components. The 49mm fork features titanium oxide-coated lower tubes to reduce friction, while both the front and rear suspension receive revised valving for improved control and greater resistance to bottoming on hard landings. And then there's the titanium fuel tank, something rarely seen on production motocross bikes. Electronics are equally impressive. Riders get gear position-specific engine mapping, HRC Launch Control for stronger starts, and a handlebar-mounted engine mode select system with standard, smooth, and aggressive power settings. Starting at $11,199, the CRF250R HRC Works Edition isn't cheap. A genuine taste of Honda's factory racing technology without needing a factory contract. So what do you think? Is the 2027 Honda CRF250R HRC Works Edition worth the premium price? Or would you rather buy a standard CRF250R and build your own race machine? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motocross and off-road motorcycle content.